Well, hey everyone, I'm back on here, Dr. Nancy Stanley, because I wanted to show you my egg salad. Now the eggs are over there boiling, and here's how I do my eggs. I put them in the water, I let them boil, come to a boil, and then I sit them off and cover them. That way they don't boil too long, they boil just right, because you want to get that vitamin K2 from your egg yolk, and if you boil it too long, it kills it. So I want it to be kind of a soft boil, all right? Here's the other thing I'm doing. All right, so this is egg salad, and I had just put like 3 stalks. I got 8 eggs, I think. I put 3 stalks of organic celery, and I had some cilantro, so I put, you may not like cilantro, so don't worry if you don't like cilantro. I put cilantro in here, and here's one of my new favorites. It's a creamy dill. I know it's probably switched around for you. Mustard that I get. It's actually mustard with dill pickles in it, and I love that. I put that on sandwiches, whatever. And you say, sandwiches? I thought you did keto. But I use those rounds. I think I'll show you those in a minute. But I'm putting in some mayonnaise. I'm going to put in an avocado as well, because I love the nutrition that I get from an avocado. It doesn't taste much to me. I will put in a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, and give it a whirl. And I may put a tad of stevia just because I like it a little bit sweet, but not much. So hang on and let me get the outer aisle stuff to show you. Oh well, it's disappeared. Get down here. I got it right here. All right, so this is something that I just love, because I'm like you, I miss a sandwich to hold all my goodness together. So this is what I do. They're called cauliflower sandwich stands. They're from Outer Aisle. I find them at Trader Joe's, but you can also order them online from Amazon. You just have to order a case. But it's worth every bit of it, because you can make a sandwich. So that's what I'm going to have about 1 or 2 o'clock. I'm fasting this morning because I just love the feeling of being fasted. But I'm going to enjoy this, and I'm going to show it to you a little bit later, and you're going to enjoy it too. So y'all have a great day.